and we're gonna speak about standard form. Standard form. Standard form, you deal either with very large numbers, very large numbers, or very small numbers. Okay? And we use the standard form to make it easy to read and write. So if you have a very big number like this number, this is the mass of the earth, and I ask you to read it or to write it. It's difficult. Okay? So we use the scientific notation or the standard form to express this number. And here also, the very small numbers, like this number. And it is useful when writing very large and very small numbers. And if you study biology and chemistry, you're gonna find a lot of numbers written in standard form. And the question now, how to write numbers, how to express numbers in standard form. Do we have a formula or no? Well, we have a formula, and the formula is A times 10 power n. A times 10 power n. What is A? What is n? N is a whole numbers. N is integer. And integer means it is positive for large numbers, and it is negative for small numbers. How about A? And 10 is constant. 10, you have to write 10 in all the questions. And what is A? A is a number greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. So you have to choose a number between after 1 and less than 10, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1.1, 3.6, whatever. Let's take example to understand. Here we have a number 3 and then many zeros like this. How to express it in a standard form? How to write it in standard form? Actually, you choose a number between 1 and 10. And what is the number between 1 and 10? It's 3. So I write 3. Can I make it 30? No, because 30 is greater than 10. So it is 3. Then write times, and then write 10. And count all the zeros after 3. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 3 times 10 power 9. Omar,
Yes.
this number, how to write it?
Oh, I know. It would be 4 times 10 power 5.
4 times 10 to the 5th power.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're
Khalid,
welcome.
6 power 10 power 2. 6 by 10 power 2.
6 times 10 power 2. Thank you. Abdullah,
Yes.
Yes.
huh? What is the answer, Abdullah?
It will be 10 times
8
8
times.
is 10 to the power of 8.
I hope you are writing. I hope you are writing. And I said after the period session, the session finished, you send me your classwork. And last session, some of you didn't send. You take picture, use cam scanner, and export PDF file to me. Okay? Zena?
Yes.
Huh?
9 times 10 to the power 4.
9 times 10 to the power 4. Thank you so much. How about if I have, here I have only one digit here. 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. How about if I have more than one digit? Like this. Huh? What do you think?
It will be 3.9, and we add a 0 to the number
Yes,
0.
yes. You do the same also. You do the same. Take the 3 only. Because if you make it 39, 39 is bigger than 10. It's not
Yeah,
correct.
it will be 3.9.
Ya salam. 3.9. Then you add, then you count all the
Times 10 to the
numbers
power of 10.
after 3. All those numbers. How many? Huh?
10.
10 to the power of 10. Okay, guys, now it's your turn now. I give you like 3 or 4 numbers. You have to do it, okay? Okay, guys, take like 3 minutes. Quickly finish.
Mr. I sent.
Thank you, guys. Let's complete. Guys, let's deal with the very small numbers, okay? The very small numbers. Write in standard form like here. Well, we're gonna do the same. We choose 8. We choose 8. And then you write 8 times 10. And then you count all the zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 10 power 7, -7. Here, there is two common mistakes. The first common mistake is they forgot to put the negative. And the second common mistake, some students count this 0. Please stop counting this 0, okay? So it is 8 times 10 power -7. I wish you understand. Here, Zena?
Yes, I'm here.
Huh?
It's 6.7
Ya salam.
times.
Excellent. 6.7. Can I make it 67?
No,
Ya salam. So it must be 6.7. Huh?
times, I guess, 10 to the power -8.
1.
-7. Oh, okay. No.
1 minute,
it's
1 minute, 1 minute,
yeah.
1 minute. Here, ya Zena, you will
Ignore the 0.
what do you mean ignore the 0?
Um,
You have to start counting.
the first 0 on the left.
1 minute. What is the decimal point? The decimal point is here, yes?
Yes.
So you start counting from here. 1,
Oh,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the power of
-6.
or 6 is 1 digit. Yes? And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5 zeros and 1 digit. So it is -6. Thank you, Zena. Khaled.
welcome.
Yes, Khaled? Huh? Is Khaled here? Is Khaled here? Khaled, يا عبد الله.
Yes, sir.
يلا عبد الله.
34.
It can't be more than 10 يا عبد الله.
8 point. 8 point. 8 point.
8 point, okay.
8.34
8.34, okay.
times 10
Times 10.
to the negative 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till here.
Yeah, close.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8. Okay? Guys, you have to write. Please write. I am not a YouTube channel. I'm a teacher. You are a student. We are in a session. You have to copy and write everything. Omar? Yeah, Omar.
Yeah,
Yalla. Huh?
this would be 7.689 times 10 negative 7
Times 10 power
negative
7. Let's
yes.
check. Let's check with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, 8. I think I'm sorry, I missed a 0.
Yes.
Yes, 8.
Negative 8. Okay. Yeah, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Abdullah, you lost the connection.
Why I'm here? Sir,
I
hear me?
I thought you get out, then you come again.
No, I'm here.
Okay? Huh?
Answer it?
Please? Huh?
Okay, 4.44
Ya salam.
times 10 to negative 6.
Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ya salam. Negative 6. 4.44 times 10 to the power of negative 6. Is it difficult? Now, your turn. Take like 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Try to do this. Okay, guys, huh? Anyways, thank you guys. Let's complete. Yes, Zena, it is negative 9. Yes, correct. So guys, we have learned how to write numbers in standard form, and this is a popular question, a common question. It comes a lot in the exam, so please pay attention to this. Here we go, we have another question. Take 2 minutes, try to do it quickly.
I'm done. I send it.
Yeah, Omar,
Yes.
go number 1 again.
Number 1.
Yes, you have to count all the digits after 3.
Yes, 5. 7, 2, 3, and 0, 0. Correct.
You have to count all
Zero.
the numbers after 3.
Oh, okay. So it's
Do it again.
3.725 times 10 power of 6. Sorry, I think I missed the other 0. That's where I put it. Okay. Let me refix it and I will send it to you.
Is it 6 or 7, ya Khalid?
I think it's 6.
Zena, you done?
Sir, I sent.
Okay, now 2 of you wrote 6, 2 wrote 7. So please check with me. Thanks, Zena. Check with me, please. Here, it will be 3.723, 3.723 multiply 10 and count from here, guys. All of this, you must count. خلاص يا عمر? So
Yes.
it will be 3 and 3, 6. Some of you wrote 7, and I don't know why. Here, all of you did it correct. That's very good. MashaAllah. Let's complete. Here, guys, this is a question. And Zena, can you read?
The speed of light is 3 times 10 to the power of 9 ms negative 1. The distance from Earth to the moon is 3.844 times 10 to the power of 5 kilometer. Calculate to 3 significant figures the time it takes light from the moon to reach the Earth.
Nice. Why, when you solve problems such this, you need to focus on the keywords of the problems. The keywords of the problems. And here we have the speed of the light, and we have the distance from the Earth, and he said find the time to 3 significant figures. Guys, who studied physics or still study now physics? Who knows the formula of speed, distance, and time?
Ah, I studied physics.
Huh? You remember?
Yeah, speed equal distance over time. Distance
Yes.
equal speed times time. Times
Yes.
distance over speed.
Yes, actually, thank you, Abdullah. We make a triangle like this, and we write here is speed, here time, here distance. So he says calculate the time. So the time is distance
Distance
over
over
speed.
speed.
Then the distance is here. 3.844 times 10 to the 5th power over 3 times 10 to the 9th power. Then use the calculator to find it. Huh? Any help? Calculator, guys.
It is 1.28 times 10 to the negative 4. There are many.
2 point what?
No, not 2. 1.28 and 1. 3, 3, 3. Many threes.
Times 10.
Times 10 to the negative 4.
Actually here, thank you so much. He says to 3 significant figures. So what you do is write only 3 significant figures. Those 1.28 times 10 to the power of negative 4 seconds. Okay, guys? Guys, is it difficult?
No.
Please write the answer. If you finish, press 1. Press 1 if you finish. Zena and Khalid, you finish?
Yes, miss.
Good. Thanks. Guys, here, operations with fractions. Actually, this topic, you are lucky to study it. You are lucky that you have these questions in the curriculum because it's from grade 4 and 5. And it comes in the exam also. So it's, if you make a mistake in these questions, means I don't have any comments because it's a very basic question. First of all, how can I add the fractions? I will give you example here. Adding fractions. Well, you have 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. What you do here in adding and subtracting fractions, you need to make a common denominators. You see what is the LCM for 2 and 3, which is 6. You write here 6. Then you make cross product. 1 multiply 3 plus 2 multiply 2. Down here 6. 1 multiply 3, 3. 2 multiply 2, 4. Then
6.
it is 7 over 6. Simplified 1 and 1 over 6. Guys, is that difficult?
No.
No, it's easy. It is easy. How about subtraction? In subtraction, like 2/3 minus 1 over 8. We do the same. Use the LCM. I write here 24. Then I do subtract. How to subtract? Make a cross product. 2 times 8 minus 1 multiply 3. Ya salam. Here 24. 2 times 8, 16. 1 multiply 3, 3. 16 minus 3, 13 over 24. Guys, is it difficult?
No.
No.
No. How to multiply fractions? Three over 4 times 2 over 7. In multiplying fractions, it's much easier. No need to make a common denominator at all, like adding and subtracting. How to do it? Just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. I multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it will be 3 times 2 over 4 times 7. 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 7, 28, and simplified 3 over 14. Any questions here? Any questions? طب teacher, if I have a mixed number like this, first of all, you convert from a mixed number to improper fraction. This one is 1 multiply 4 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7 over 4 times 1 multiply 2 multiply 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Now multiply 77 over 20. Then use a calculator to write it in a mixed number. Here it will be 3, here 20,
17.
and 17 over 20. Guys, try to avoid using the calculator in operations in fractions. Like in the homework, I give you some problems related to the adding and subtracting, multiplying. Don't use the calculator. You can use the calculator, but write the step. And you have to write the steps like me. If you use the calculator, no problem. But show the steps, please. Dividing. In dividing, we use a formula, keep, turn, flip. Please write. Please write because it's not written in the notes. Keep, turn, flip, which is KTF. 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 What is KTF? Keep, turn, flip. When we use this formula, when we divide fractions only, it's for division only. For division only and only for division. See here, 2 out of 3 divide 1 out of 6. You keep the first one as it is. So don't change it. And then turn divide into multiply. And then flip. 6 over 1. Then 2 multiply 6. 3 multiply 1. It will be 12 over 3. And 12 over 3 is 4. Okay, guys, any question here? Any questions?
So
Huh? Now it's your turn. So please do from A to D. From A to D. Take 5 minutes. In order of operation, we use the word BIMDAS. And in BIMDAS or BIDMAS, the same. B for brackets or parentheses, I for indices, M for multiply, D for divide, add for addition, S for subtraction. You start from left to right. Okay? From left to right. Like here, if he says calculate and he gives you 3 marks, and 3 marks means you cannot use the calculator. You need to do some steps. So which one I do first? I start with the parentheses. It will be 7 power 2 times 3 plus 12 divided by 6 minus 1. And here I do the brackets first. Okay, guys? Then do the indices. Here I have indices. So 49 multiply 3 plus 12 divided 6, 12 divided 6 minus 1. Then multiply 49 by 3. 49 multiply 3, 3 multiply 9, 27. 3 multiply 4, 12 plus 2, 14. Plus 12 divided 6, 2 minus 1. And then 147 plus 2, 149 minus 1, 148. Okay, guys? Please write it. Write the answer. You done? Now your turn. Okay, Shabab, take 2 minutes, try to do it. Only 2 minutes. About estimation. Estimation. Actually, guys, we have in math, we have some terms like estimation, rounding, approximating, scientific, significant figures. We have accuracy. It's like you round up or round down, and you write and you estimate the number to 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, 3 decimal places, and whatever. We have a lot of stuff to do. So let's start with estimation. You know, guys, we have 2 types of numbers. Yes? The rich numbers and the poor numbers. The poor numbers. The rich numbers are what? Who remember from grade 3? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes? The poor numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we remember in grade 3, the teacher had to say 4, 5 or more, add 1 more. 4 or less, I will rest. Who remember this? 5 or more, add 1 more. 4 or less, 4 or less, I will rest. Here, for example, when rounding for a decimal place, the round number must have exactly that number of digits after the decimal point. What does it mean? Like here, this number, I need to round it to 1 decimal place. So the first decimal place is here, 5. and look at the right. 6 is a rich number or a poor number? Huh? Rich number. So it will give 1 to 5. It will be 13.6. Okay, round to 2 decimal places. 2. So 2 decimal places are 5 and 6. Now look at the right. 5 is a rich number. It will give 1 to 6. So it will be 13.57. Okay, guys, you got it?
Yes.
Okay, so now it's your turn now. Okay. Guys, we have something called significant figures, SF. And maybe many times you see in the question rounding to, for example, 2 significant figures. What does it mean? The significant figure is the most important number, the most important digit in the number. Okay? For example, here, what is the most important digit here? Is it 1 or 3 or 5 or 6? This digit is the most important digit here, which is 1. Okay? So if I say round to 1 significant figure. So this is the 1 significant figure. Then instead of 3, put 0. It will be 10. And remove all the decimal points. Like for example, if you have $100, and some cents, what is the most important money do you have? The $100 or the cents? The $100, okay? So here, for example, round to 3 significant figure. Well, I have to first to determine the most 3 important digits, which are 6, 7, and 3. Yes? Then I write 6, 7, 8 is rich or poor?
Rich.
Rich. Just
So
1 second.
B to B4.
1 second, guys. 1 second. I'm sorry. One second. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I was saying that you need to count the most 3 significant figures. You start from the left. Okay, so you have 6, 7, 3. Here 8 is rich or poor?
Rich, so it will give the 3 to be 4.
It will be 4, and here 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay, guys? Here, another example. I needed to 1 significant figures. Here we have a trick. Because you need to count the non-zero digit number. Non-zero digit number. Is Zena here or still outside the session? Zena, if you are here, press 1. Okay, we'll come back. So you start from the left. You have 0. Don't count. Another 0. Don't count. Now count. So 6 is the first significant figure. But teacher, why? Because I don't count 0 if the number starts with 0, we don't count it. Okay? So it will be 0.00, and 7 is rich number. It gives 1 to 6, it will be 7. Okay, guys? So here, 0.00809 to 2 significant figure. Who knows? Abdullah, try.
Okay, so it will be 0.00 81.
81.
Hmm.
But Abdullah, we said we don't count zeros.
But it is before it, it's 8.
Ya salam. 0 in the middle. In the
Yes.
middle, it's okay, no problem. No problem. But here, it is useless here. We don't count it. But if it's in the middle, it's okay. No problem. So if you go back here and the notes, it's written there. When rounding to a given number of significant figures, the first non-zero digit is the first significant. Non-zero digit. Non-zero digit. I wish you understand. Guys, now it's your turn. Take 5 minutes, try to do this.
مستر ده سكرين شيرنج مش باين عندي.
Which one?
السكرين شيرنج اللي حضرتك عاملها.
Now I'm opening like a white screen. I'm writing now. Can you see?
لا.
طب ما اعمل log out and join again.
مفيش.
Log out
ماشي.
and join again. Okay, guys? You need to determine where is the significant figure. Which is the significant figure here? Which is 1 here, by the way. Which is one number, 6. Okay, look at 7. 7 gives 1 to 6 or no? Yes. So it will be 7. And then remove all the digits and put zeros. Okay, Khalid?
يا مستر.
خلاص فهمتها؟
اه
Okay, nice. Here. You have 2 significant figures. So 1, 2. Here is the significant figures because we don't count the zeros. If zeros are at the left, we don't count the zeros. You start from 6. 6 will give 1 to 9. 9 will be what? 10. 0 and carry 1 at 0. It will be 1. Then 0. 1.
انا عملت دي كده يا مستر.
نعم؟
انا عملت دي كده.
مين؟ خالد؟
اه
ايوه مظبوط يا خالد، ايوه دي صح عندك. تمام. Here one significant figure. One significant figure. One significant figure is 346, and one significant figure is here. Then it will be 3 and put 2 zeros. Okay, Shabab? Here 5 significant figures. So count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5. 0 is miskin. Miskin will not give anything. خلاص. It will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 3 zeros.
Sir,
Yes?
in question number 2, 0.00967 into 2 significant figure, shouldn't it be 9, 6, and we'll see that the 7 would it give or not? Because it's
Yes.
figure.
Because I thought it's one significant figure. Here it's 2, yes?
Yeah.
Ya Shabab. Again, I will do 2 again. Subhanallah. I checked for Khalid and I told them all are wrong. And now Ya Khalid,
يس يا مستر.
this is not correct, Ya Khalid. You know why? Because it's not one significant, it's 2. 2. So 2 is here. 1, 2. So you look at 7. 7 will give 1 to 6. It will be 7. So here it will be 0.0097. 2 significant figures. Okay, Khalid?
يا مستر.
تمام. برافو عليكم يا شباب. يا شباب يا ريت please make your own copybook. Make your own copybook. See, wallahi, I have a lot of copybooks here. A lot. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many copybooks here. And everything I record here. Record your work. خلاص؟ Record your work, please. Abdullah, can you read?
Find an approximate answer to 1.19.79 minus 2.31 times 3.15 by rounding each number to one significant figure.
يا شباب أي سؤال زي كده, any question like this, you round first before you answer. Round before calculating. Round before calculating. So 19.79, 2.31, 3.15. 19.79 will be what? Huh? 19.79,
20.
huh? 20 to one significant figure, because this is the one significant figure. 9 will give 1, 20. This one is 2. This one is
3.
3. يا سلام, تمام التمام. So 20 minus 2 times 3. Omar, what is the answer of this one? 20 minus 2 multiply 3.
20 minus 2 times 3,
Yes,
it would be 14.
14.
Yes.
Okay, شباب. That is good. Okay, Zena.
Yes.
Yes, Zena. يلا يا زينة, read معايا number 1A.
Estimate the values of these expressions by rounding each number to one significant figure.
What should we do? We solve then round, or round then solve?
We solve it, then we round it.
Oh my God. No, the opposite. You round first. Right here, round first or estimate first. Okay, with me, to one significant figure. 4.1,
4,
3.9,
4,
2.1,
2,
3.2.
3.
Bravo, bravo. Then you write the answers here in the order. 4 plus 4 times 2 over 3. 4 plus 8 over 3. 4 plus 8, 12 over 3 equals 4. يا سلام. يا سلام, تمام التمام. Thank you, Zena. You did a good job.
Welcome.
Omar Farouk,
Yeah?
you work with me in this question.
Okay.
Okay, you tell me the answer.
Okay.
To one,
Nine.
to one significant figure. 9.1,
Would be 9.
8.1,
Would be 8.
3.8,
Would be 4.
7.2,
Would be 7.
10.1.
Would be 10.
يا سلام, تمام التمام. Okay, now we're gonna replace the estimate number in the question. 9 times 8 plus 4 times 7 over 10. 72, 28 over 10. Thank you, Omar.
You're
very happy,
welcome.
wallahi. Wallahi, I'm very happy. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Shabab, you understand? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now your turn now. Please write first. Then I will give you a question now. You estimate first, then you replace the estimated number, then you find the answer.
I write it, almost.
Again?
I write it.
Okay. Find by estimating. 2, 1 significant figures. Okay, Shabab, quickly, please. Huh?
Teacher, I'm done. Teacher, I messed up something. I will refix it. I just realized and I will send it back to you, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
يا خالد. Khalid.
I'm back. Turns out I
Yes.
didn't miss anything.
Okay, okay.
Picture is the same.
Okay, Omar. Khalid, 1.9.
Yes, almost.
No, 1.9 is 2. No, 1.9 is 2. خلاص. And here also يا خالد 30.01 and here is not 10. You forgot 10. You forgot 10.
انا نسيت. انا نسيت ما خدتش بالي منها.
يا عمر.
البي 5.
Yes.
Omar, here it's 29.3. 3 is poor number
Yes.
actually.
Yes,
So
it's
it will be
poor.
29 only.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
It's here. Guys, I'm just checking the work, like Abdullah is correct خلاص. Zena is correct. Zena is correct. Khalid خلاص, you understand?
يس مس.
And
انا عدلتها خليتها 5.
صلحتها؟
وبعتها لحضرتك تاني.
طب تمام. وعمر؟
Yeah, بصلحها. I'm gonna send it right now.
Okay, good, good. Okay, guys, anyways, thank you so much for your effort. Actually, you are doing very, very well. I know it's a long way to achieve good work. Actually, you need a lot of work, but don't worry. I have a plan for all of you. Don't worry, inshallah. Gonna work very hard to fix the mistakes, improve the levels, and differentiate the learning, inshallah. Don't worry, inshallah, just solve the homeworks. Today I will upload homework 3. So we have homework 1, 2, and 3. Homework 1, 2, and 3. Any question before I shut down the session?
No, thanks, sir.
Okay, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم.